Today, we're talking ways to break in your new cast iron skillet. Hi, I'm Chef Kris, culinary manager at Lodge Cast Iron. When I started at Lodge, I got to design the first test kitchen, and I ran it for nearly a decade. These days, my team and I spend our time cooking, testing, and teaching folks all about cast iron cookware. Let's go on a journey. Our cast iron cookware comes seasoned and ready to use, so when you get it home, you don't have to season it yourself. When you get your new skillet, all you need to do is wash it with warm soapy water, dry it immediately, and wipe it with a thin layer of cooking oil. Then you're ready for your first recipe. So you might be wondering, what even is seasoning? Seasoning is a thin, hardened layer of oil that bonds to your cookware through heat. When oil is heated past the smoke point, it breaks down and bonds to the cast iron. The thin layer of carbonized oil on your skillet helps to create a naturally non-stick barrier and also prevents rust. What's the best way to maintain the seasoning on your cast iron cookware? Cook in it! Let's talk about what not to cook first. Recipes that call for acidic ingredients like tomato sauce or lemon juice are going to affect your seasoning. After you build your seasoning up, you can use acidic ingredients for cook times up to 45 minutes. Certain foods can help you build up your seasoning, especially ones that are high in fat and low in acidity. Cooking helps you season as you go, so my best advice for a new skillet, just keep cooking. So what are we gonna cook first? A few of my recommendations would be sausages, roasted veggies, and cornbread. Breakfast sausages are great because they're high in fat, which is going to render out into my pan and season it beautifully. Another great option would be hamburgers cooked in a cast iron skillet. You're gonna get the same amount of fat content and it's gonna be a great base layer for your seasoning. Another recommendation would be roasted veggies. Roasting veggies on cast iron gets incredible caramelization. And the oil coupled with a long bake time allows for a solid base layer of seasoning. My last recommendation, cornbread of course. Preheating your cast iron skillet along with a healthy amount of oil and pouring that batter in allows that oil to reach up the sidewalls and season your skillet beautifully. Now you might be thinking, how do I clean this thing? It's easy, just watch our video on cast iron dish duty. Thanks for spending time with me today. I hope you learned something about cast iron. If you want to keep learning, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Love you, bye.